So, hello students. Today's topic is chemical properties of carboxylic acids. So, in the previous class already we discussed different types of method of preparations, physical properties and some chemical properties already we discussed. Then one mechanism we have discussed, the formation of esters during the reactions. Here we are discussing the reaction involving OH group of carboxylic acids. मीन्स OH ग्रुप के कारण जो है रिएक्शन कौन कौन सी रिएक्शन जो है इन्वॉल्व होती है और फॉर्म होती है. सो हियर इज क्लीवेज ऑफ COH बॉन्ड ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. जो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स का C डबल बॉन्ड OH बॉन्ड रहेगा वो क्लीवेज होगा एंड दे विल फॉर्म द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कंपाउंड्स. सो हियर जो हमारे पास OH group of carboxylic acid is replaced by chloride ion, NH2 group, OR group, then OCRO dash group. So they are forming acid chloride, esters, amides, acetic anhydride by this method. Here just हम लोग फर्स्ट जो है स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं रिएक्शन विथ फास्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड, फास्फोरस पेंटाक्लोराइड एंड थायरिल क्लोराइड्स. दिस मेथड जो है हमारे पास इन दिस फर्स्ट मेथड्स they are forming acid chloride by these reactions. और यहाँ पर जो आप PCl5 और PCl3 यूज कर रहे हो, SOCl2 थायरिल क्लोराइड कर रहे हो, सो थायरिल क्लोराइड से जो हमारे पास प्रिपरेशन और एसिड क्लोराइड इज द बेस्ट मेथड, बेस्ट प्रीफर मेथड, बिकॉज यहाँ पर जो सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड और HCl जो एस्केप होगा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ गैस एंड यू विल गेट द प्योर एसिड क्लोराइड्स. So here first reactions with phosphorus pentachloride and phosphorus trichloride. Here we are discussing reactions with phosphorus chloride, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and thionyl chloride. So reaction first हम लोग बात करें CH3 COOH react with phosphorus pentachloride, so it will form acid chloride CH3 COCl plus HCl then POCl3. CH3COH react with phosphorus pentachloride to give acetyl chloride, HCl, POCl3. यदि आप लोग बेंजोइक एसिड यूज कर रहे हो C6H5COH, बेंजोइक एसिड treated with phosphorus pentachloride, so you get benzyl chloride C6H5COCl plus HCl plus POCl3. This is the one method. Then if you are taking thionyl chloride CH3COH treated with thionyl chloride SOCl2, so यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो मिलेगा वो मिलेगा CH3COCl plus HCl plus SO2. तो यहाँ पर जो है ये मेथड सबसे ज्यादा प्रीफर होती है फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एसिटाइल क्लोराइड, बिकॉज ये जो हमारे पास HCl और सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड है दे आर एस्केप इन द फॉर्म ऑफ गैसेस. दैट्स व्हाई दिस मेथड इज मोर प्रीफर फॉर फॉर्मेशंस ऑफ एसिटाइल क्लोराइड. देन यू कैन टेक CH3COH plus phosphorus trichloride, so it will form CH3COCl plus H3PO4. Here you write 3. Then write 3. So here you are getting the first reaction with PCl3, PCl5 and thionyl chloride. This is the first one. Second I have passed formation of ester. Second I have passed formation of ester. Now we'll start the second one, formation of ester. Formation of ester. So in these reactions, when carboxylic acid is treated with alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, in this reaction carboxylic acid जो होगा treated होगा alcohol से in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, you will get the esters by the losing of water molecules. RCOH plus RHOR dash concentrated H2SO4. So reaction involving by this. So this water molecules escape out. Then you will get the ester. R C double bond O O R dash. plus H2O esterification. CH3 COH plus HO C2H5. Concentrated reversible reaction, concentrated H2SO4, and already we discussed कि ये जो आपके पास रिएक्शन है ब्रेकिंग ऑफ COH बॉन्ड, ये OH बॉन्ड ब्रेकअप होगा, then you will get ester by losing the water molecule. CH3 COO C2H5 plus H2O, जिसे हो जाता है इथाइल एसीटेट. Now you can take formic acid plus HOCH3, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. This is known as esterification reaction. So from here it will form this compound concentrated H2SO4. So हमारे पास फॉर्म होगा HCOO CH3 plus H2. This is methyl formate. Methyl formate. So this reaction is known as esterification reactions. जहां पर हमारे पास अल्कोहल और कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड दे आर कंबाइन रिएक्ट टुगेदर इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4. तो हमारे पास जो फॉर्म होगा एस्टर फॉर्म होगा बाय लूजिंग द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. नाउ थर्ड वन रिएक्शन विद अमोनिया. थर्ड जो हमारे पास रिएक्शन विद अमोनिया, जहां माइट फॉर्म होगा रिएक्शन विथ अमोनिया. तो हमारे पास मिडिल प्रोडक्ट होगा अमोनियम सॉल्ट. रिएक्शन विथ अमोनिया, यहां पर हमारे पास व्हेन एसिड रिएक्ट विथ अमोनिया टू फॉर्म अमोनियम सॉल्ट, और अमोनियम सॉल्ट का हाइड्रोलिसिस करोगे यू विल गेट अमाइड. सो हियर फर्स्ट विल सी RCOH react with ammonia to form RCONH4, ammonium salt. This is known as ammonium salt. Then hydrolysis, when you will heat it, so यहाँ पर जब हीट करेंगे तो it will lose the water molecules and give ammonia, amide, like CH3 COH plus NH3 to give CH3 COO NH4. Heat it, heat किया, then you get CH3 CO NH2 plus H2. This is reactions. Now benzoic acid C6H5COH NH3 C6H5 sodium ammonium benzoate COO NH4. When you heat it, benzamide. This is benzamide. Here they will form benzamide by losing the water molecules. Acid treated with ammonia, so you will want ammonium phenamide. हीट किया, बाय 2 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लॉस्ट, सो हमारे पास जो बनेगा थैलेमाइड मिलेगा. इट विल गिव थैलेमाइड. थैलेमाइड, थैलिक एसिड, अमोनियम थैलेमाइड, थैलेमाइड strong heating, so it will lose one ammonia molecule from here. So when it will lose one ammonia molecule, by losing one ammonia molecules, this is thaleamide. this compound is formed. Phthalic acid treated with ammonia to form ammonium phthalimide. Then heating, it will lose water molecule. Phthalimide form hoga. Strong heating by losing the ammonia molecules from here. So it will form phthalimide. This is the reaction with ammonia. Now next is formation of acetic anhydride. Next is dehydration. Dehydration means, all of you know, dehydration is a loss of water molecules. So during the reaction is water molecule is given out and you will get the acid anhydride. The reaction is taking place when acid is heated in the presence of dehydrating agent like concentrated H2SO4 or phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. So when you will heat the two molecules of carboxylic acid, आप लोग हीट कर रहे हो, in the presence of P2O5, a water molecule is given out. Then what will get? R C double bond O, C double bond O, O group. This is known as acid by losing the water molecules. Similarly, आप लोग यदि वैल्यू रख रहे हो, in the presence of P2O5 heat किया आपने, so water molecule is given out. A water molecule is given out. Two molecule of acetic anhydride, two molecule of acetic acid. This is CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, then O plus H2. This is the formation of acetic anhydride. या आप लोग benzoic acid ले रहे हो, benzoic acid, two molecules of benzoic acid. Same phosphorus pentoxide, heating, dehydrating agent, a water molecule is given out. C6H5 CO, C6H5 CO. But formic acid does not give acid anhydride. It is the carbon dioxide and water molecules. Formic acid. Give carbon monoxide plus water molecule. This is the breaking of COH bond. Of the alkyl groups, halogenation reaction. In these reactions, carboxylic acids which have alpha hydrogen are treatment with means alpha hydrogen is present. They are treated with chlorine or bromine. Chlorine or bromine in the presence of red phosphorus. So they are giving the different types of halogen derivatives, halogen compounds. This reaction takes place in the presence of red phosphorus. So you will get the different types of halogen compounds, means hydrogen replaced by halogens. This reaction is known as Hall-Volhard-Zielinski reaction, HVZ. So here this is the carboxylic acid, or you will put CH3COH treated with red phosphorus. Second is water molecules. Having the alpha hydrogens are halogenated with halogens are maybe red phosphorus. So the reaction takes place in the presence of red phosphorus halogens by the chlorine or bromines. So here you will get CH2CH अगेन यदि आप लोग इसको रिप्लेस करेंगे, here suppose you are taking chlorine or bromine, CH3COH. Reaction is taking place, red phosphorus or chlorine or red phosphorus. Second is water. So here you get ClCH2COH. Same it is, all the hydrogen replaced by this one at last, like Cl2 red phosphorus, you will get Cl2CHCOH. Then again this one Chlorinations, red phosphorus. Here you get CCl3COH. So all the hydrogen, alpha hydrogen replaced by chlorinatum. This reaction is known as Hell-Volhard-Zielinski reaction. जिसे शॉर्ट में बोला जाता है HVZ reaction. Hell-Volhard-Zielinski reactions. जहां पर आपके पास जो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है वहां पर हैलोजन एटम्स जो होता है, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स ऑफ हैलोजनेटेड बाय हैलोजन एटम्स लाइक क्लोरीन और ब्रोमीन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ रेड फॉस्फोरस, it will give the halogen compounds. One hydrogen atoms replaced by halogen atoms, and this reaction is known as Hell-Volhard-Zielinski reaction. This is the important name reaction of carboxylic acid.